Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to use the Tilde-Character to always use the latest patched version of a dependency. In the last challenge, you told NPM to only include specific versions of a package. That's a useful way to freeze your dependencies if you need to make sure that different parts of your project stay compatible with each other. But in most cases, you don't want to miss bug fixes since they often include important security patches, and hopefully they don't break things in doing so. Hopefully they don't break things, meaning whoever's creating and maintaining the package does pay attention to the SEM version, SEMver. Okay, so to allow an NPM dependency to update to the latest patch version, you can prefix the dependency's version with the Tilde-Character. Here's an example of how to allow updates to any 1.3 version. So they write 1.3 with a tilde. So here, if the package, and the package is just a whatever name, this isn't actually one. So, and they're saying tilde 1.3.8. So if they do it like this, then if there comes out with a package of 1.3.9, it will update to that. So in the package.json file, your current rule of how many NPM may upgrade the moment to a specific version. We're sort of 2.10.2, but now you want to allow the latest 2.10 version. So use the Tilde-Character to prefix the version of the moment in your dependencies and allow NPM to update it to any new patch release. The version numbers themselves should not be changed. Okay, so yeah, currently, if we were to put our code into here, this is our Heroku app. It's deployed to the internet. We would have a problem. Our dependencies works, but we actually have the wrong version. So what do we want to do? We want to come to our package.json file, and we want to change moment to have a tilde. And so we save this, and then we run over to our terminal, and we're going to say git add. So we're getting the package. First what we want to go is npm install. So this will update. What happens is Node Package Manager checks out our package.json file, and then it makes updates to package.lock. So now if we go git status, we see, oh, maybe it just didn't make any changes because this is such a minor thing. So yeah, we've got our package. Yeah, just git add, git commit. So we're gonna commit our changes. So we're gonna say make, what do they call this? Always latest patch version. That's what we want to say. So update moment dependency to have latest patch version. Now we want to push this to first off GitHub. Here on GitHub we have our current version of the package.json file, and you'll see right here in our dependencies moment it has no tilde right here, and so if we refresh here, now we have the tilde version. So that's good for there. And so, but that doesn't mean that we're going to pass our tests. We're still in the same situation here. So we need to push the changes to our Heroku production server. So git push Heroku. So we're saying push to the Heroku branch, and we're going to say the head of the master, and that was going to push our code from our local machine and actually run it up to the server at the Heroku, whatever web farms or whatever, their computers, their servers are going to have the new code that we're pushing to it right now. And so now that that's live, we don't see any changes here because we're just adjusting the packages JSON file. But if we run the tests here, we'll see that they pass. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.